Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com. I am Heather Hooker Keto on Instagram and right here on YouTube. So make sure that you like, follow, subscribe, whatever. Just make sure you tune in because I try to share tips, recipes for people who are trying to go low carb, who are new to this lifestyle. I know it's hard in the beginning if you grew up eating a steady carbohydrate diet like I did, to make the switch to lower carb. I do have a free keto guide that you can download on my website as well. So today I'm going to show you this delicious beef and broccoli casserole that I made for my family. It smells so good. And you can top this with just a little bit of hot sauce if you like a little bit of spice. I'm gonna let my kids put a little sprinkle of garlic powder or onion powder on it to their taste, so that everybody gets exactly what they like tonight. So here's the recipe. Okay, so I am making a broccoli beef bake. So I've got 1.5 pounds of ground beef in here. This is sauteed. I've got 1/4 cup of diced onions, and I've also got a whole clove of garlic in this. This is almost done, so I can turn this down. This is the sauce for our beef and broccoli bake. It is cream cheese, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese, and you can see how nice and cheesy it is looking. It's gonna be good. And then I've got just a 20-ounce bag of frozen broccoli that I've got boiling. This should be all ready to go. I'm gonna drain it. Just turn the burner off. I'm gonna drain that, and then I'm gonna fold the broccoli and the cheese into the ground beef. We're gonna put it in this 9x13 pan, and then we are going to bake it at 375. Okay, so I dumped the cooked broccoli in with the ground beef that's already cooked. Put the cheese sauce on top. I'm gonna get this mixed together really well, and then put it into the oven to bake for just a few minutes. All right. So casserole is prepared. I'm gonna put a thin layer of mozzarella cheese on top, and then it will be ready to go in the oven. I really wish you could smell this. It smells so good.